Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Then take a look at this 2017 Ford Explorer XLT in ruby red. With LED daytime running headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 36,000 miles on the odometer, a 5-inch infotainment display, a rear backup camera, Sirius XM radio, split folding rear seats, a power sunroof, all powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5809A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.